Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with the latest news coming for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. As we already know, the launch of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series is just around the corner, and probably we already know everything about the device. But there are certainly new information that has been arrived regarding the pricing and the official images of the Galaxy S22 series. Also, we got some official marketing renders of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and it reveals some information about the charger in the box. But before we get into, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get the daily tech videos, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So guys, a Google reward survey previously showed the pricing of the Galaxy S22 series, and it had a $100 increase over the price of the S21 series, which had a lot of people worried, but it turns out that it's not going to be the case. It's going to maintain the price of the S21 series, so $799 for the S22, $999 for the S22 Plus, and $1199 for the S22 Ultra. Now, this information is pretty much solid because it's coming from John Prosser, who has a really good track record. It's really good to see Samsung maintaining the pricing of the S22 series while increasing the overall quality and features. I think with this pricing, they are gonna sell a whole lot more S22 devices, especially the S22 Ultra. Because a Verizon worker got his hand on S22 Ultra and he said the handset feel well similar to the Note 20 Ultra, which is pretty much expected because the S22 Ultra is looking like a Note device because it has a boxier looking design. And it's not wrong to say that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be a successor to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Also, we have seen multiple teaser videos from Samsung confirming the design and the S Pen integration. He also said that the S22 Ultra is going to be easily sell for the Samsung, and that is also expected because in the previous leak we have talked about that why the S22 Ultra is taking up to 70% of the entire S22 series production. Also in the leaks we have the official cases for the S22 series, and they all look pretty good. But one that the S22 Ultra looks kind of a weird with a tag that says 22 hanging on it. Now, moving forward, we also have the official press render for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra courtesy to Even Plus. It's confirmed the tablet is going to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in all region, and it also confirms the notch, which is unfortunately happening. Most of the people, including myself, didn't like that notch. Anyhow, it seems like Samsung is going to be making a cross-platform compatible S Pen as well, because it looks like in these leaked images the S Pen for the Tab S8 Ultra is also going to work on the S22 Ultra. That will be really interesting to feature for continuous productivity. The leak also shows that Type-C to Type-C cable bundle in the box, but there is no sign of the charging brick, which leads me to believe that Samsung is not going to be including the 45-watt of charging brick in the box of the Galaxy Tab S8 series. Anyway, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.